This video will demonstrate scanning a document from an HP Pro 8610 printer scanner copier to a PC. The first thing we will do is place the paper in the scanner tray. Now I put the word scanner in quotes because if you were using the machine to copy, it would be the copy tray. So anyways. Okay, to scan using the computer, you need to put the paper in. And so the paper, the top of the paper will go up this way and it will go face up. And so you go ahead and put that in. And sometimes you hear a little ding when it actually is set. Okay, so there's that. And then we're going to go to the computer and see what has to happen in order to scan a computer, or in order to scan a document to the computer. Next, we will use the software on a PC to scan the document into a computer. Okay, now we've stuck the papers into the scanner, and so now we need to get to the software in order to scan. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the little start squares here on the Windows 11 machine. If you're running Windows 10, the start square will be over here on the left-hand side. So I'll click the little start square, and in Windows 11 I have to come up here and click All Apps to get to that start screen that you usually see in Windows 10 with the alphabetical listing. So I'm going to go down to HP, and there's some software that will be installed on your machine called HP Smart. So we'll go ahead and we'll double click the HP Smart software. And when it comes up, here it tells me the OfficeJet Pro 8610 is ready. I have had to once now unplug the 8610 and plug it in again because it drops the IP address, and the scan with the computer software here didn't work. The USB scan always works whether it's on the network or not, but generally speaking though, if it's connected, you'll get this screen here when you start the software up, and then you hit scan, and it will figure out which place has the material that you want to scan. You can put the scan on the glass slide if you only have one sheet, and in our case we put it in the feeder. Now this particular model will not scan duplex documents in. It will only scan single-sided documents. Okay, so now we at this point we can go ahead and hit scan. Now if you get to here and you remember, oh, I didn't put the documents in, well, go put the documents in your scanner. It's not completely necessary that you put the documents in before you start the software, but it is necessary that you have the documents in before you click this next button that says scan. So I'll go ahead and click scan, and when you see these little dots going across the top, that's actually a good sign. What's not a good sign is if you get like a little circle that's drawing itself in the middle. That means that it's having a problem. Most likely it can't connect to the scanner. But these dots going across, that's very, very good. I only have a few pages that I'm scanning in, so it won't take very long and it will be all done. So on page 3, I think I might have 4 pages. And it does seem to do, this scanner does do a good job of keeping the pages nice and straight. Oh, look, I have a page 5. Okay, so there's the pages that were scanned in. Now, what I can do is if I want to save this document, if I don't want to save the document, I can just go ahead and close the software. If you want to save the document, go ahead and click Save, and it's going to give you a choice of where you want to save it. Here it's just giving you what file type do you want. So you could either save it as a picture or a PDF. And I'm not going to choose any compression. In fact, I don't know what the options are. Okay, yeah, so you have some options for compression. I'm going to go ahead and click Save, and it gives me a choice of where I want to save it. And typically I'm going to save it in the documents. Um, you can save it wherever you want, and you can rename that document there. And go ahead and click OK, and the file's been saved. And once you've done that, you can just go, sure, I'm enjoying the Smart app. So once you've done that, you can go ahead and close the software, and you're good to go. And that's all there is to scanning from the machine. Thank you for listening. I hope this was helpful.